Hi students, today we will discuss previous year questions and answers in the chapter set. First question, let A is equal to set x such that x is a prime number less than 11. B is equal to set f all x such that x is an integer such that 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. Write C is equal to A intersection B. Second question, find the number of subset of C which has 3 elements. First question carry 1 mark, second question is also 1 mark. So this is a 2 mark question. March 2019. Okay. Answer. Let A is equal to set of all x such that it is a prime number less than 11. So we write A in roster form. A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Not including 11 because less than 11. So numbers, prime numbers less than 11. 2, 3, 5, 7. Then B is equal to set of all integers such that 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. So which are the elements including in B? From 2 to 8. All integers from 2 to 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then we want to write C. C equal to A intersection B. Elements both in A and B. A has 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. B has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So taking intersection of A and B, we got 2, 3, 5, 7. Elements in both A and B are 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so C is equal to set 2, 3, 5, 7. Then second question, find the number of subset of C which has 3 elements. C has 4 elements. We want to write the subset of C which has only 3 elements. Which are they? We can take the set which contain only 3 elements from the set C. First one 2, 3, 5. Set 2, 3, 5. We can write set 2, 3, 5. Then 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. We can choose set 2, 5, 7. Then 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 is also possible. Then 2, 3, 7. Set 2, 3, 7. So how many subsets of C which has 3 elements? 4 subsets. So the answer is 4. Okay. Consider the Venn diagram of the universal set. U is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The number from 1 to 13. First question, write A, B in roster form. Second one, verify A union B the all dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. Third question, find N of A intersection B whole dash. First question, write A, B in roster form. The Venn diagram is given. This is A and this is B and this is a universal set. Okay. Then we want to write A and B in roster form. The question carry 1 mark. A is equal to how many elements in A? 3, 6, 10, 4. We can easily find out that 3, 4, 6, 10. 3, 4, 6, 10. Okay. Then B has 2, 5, 11, 3, 4. 2, 5, 11, 3, 4. Okay. Then, second question. Verify A union B the all dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. First write A union B. Elements either in A or in B or in both. So, 6, 10, 3, 4, 2, 5, 11. 6, 10, 3, 4, 2, 5, 11. All the elements from A and B. Then A union B the all dash. A union B the all dash means universal set minus A union B. Universal set is this one minus A union B. So the elements other than A union B in U. Which are they? Okay, 9, 12, 7, 1, 8, 13. The elements outside A and B. 9, 12, 7, 1, 8, 13. So we got A union B the all dash. Then find out A dash. A dash means elements other than A. All the elements other than A. Which are they? 2, 5, 11, 1, 8, 13, 7, 9, 12. Okay. Then B dash. B dash means elements other than B. Which are they? 6, 10, 9, 12, 1, 8, 13. B dash is equal to 6, 10, 1, 8, 13, 11, 7, 9, 12. We can write in any order. A dash is equal to set 2, 4, 11, 1, 8, 13, 7, 9, 12. B dash is equal to set 6, 10, 1, 8, 13, 7, 9, 12. So, which of the elements are common in both A dash and B dash? Set 1, 8, 13, 7, 9, 12. So, we can find out that A union B the whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. This is a De Morgan's law. Okay. Then, third question, A intersection B. Find out A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to set 3, 4. 3, 4 is the element in both A and B. So, A intersection B is equal to set 3, 4. Then, N of A intersection B equal to 2. We want to find out N of A intersection B the whole dash. N of A intersection B the whole dash is equal to N of U minus N of A intersection B. Number of elements in U minus number of elements in A intersection B. How many elements in U? U is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, N of U has 13 elements. 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. N of A intersection B the whole dash is equal to 11. The third question, we want to find out N of A intersection B the whole dash. N of A intersection B the whole dash is equal to N of U minus N of A intersection B, that is equal to 13 minus 2 equal 11. This is also 1 mark question. Clear? Another question, if U is the universal set and A is any set, then U intersection A. What is U intersection A? U is the universal set and A is any set. Then taking intersection of U and A, what we get? We know that. So it's very simple. U intersection A is A. The options are given. First one is U, second A, third 5, 4 is A dash. Which is the answer? Second one. Okay. A. Next question. Consider this set. U is equal to set A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A is equal to set B, C, D, E. B is equal to set A, C, G. Find A dash and B dash. Then verify that A union B the whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. De Morgan's law. We know that A union B the whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. For that, first we find out A dash. A dash equal to elements not in A but in U. Which are they? B, C, D, E is the elements in A. Then U has A, F, G. Okay, A, F, G. A, F, G is the elements in A dash. Then B dash. B has A, C, G. Elements other than B in U. Which are they? B dash equal to B is possible. C, G is not possible. D, E, F. Okay, B, D, E, F. B dash has elements B, D, E, F. Then A dash intersection B dash. Common to both A dash and B dash. Which is the element? F. F is common to both A dash and B dash. So A dash intersection B dash equal to set F, singleton F. Then find out A union B. A union B is equal to elements either in A or in B or in both. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, all the elements. A, B, all the elements from A and the elements in B. And A is in both. A is in, okay, C is in both A and B. So we write C only one time. Then we got A union B equal to set A, B, C, D, E, G. Then A union B the whole dash. Elements not in A union B but in U. F is not in A union B but in U. So F is A union B the whole dash is F, singleton set F. Then look at that. A union B the whole dash equal to singleton set F. A dash intersection B dash equal to singleton F. Then A dash intersection B dash equal to A union B the whole dash. or A union B the whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. Hence the proof. Okay. Next question. If A is equal to set ABC, write the power set of P. This question has three parts. First one is A, then second B. If the number of subset with the two elements of a set P is 10, find the total number of elements in the set P. C. Find the number of elements in the power set of P. If A is equal to set ABC, write the power set of P. We know that what is power set of P? Power set of P means the set of all subset of the set is called a power set. We write all the subsets in a set. P of A is equal to first one null set, second set itself, and the singleton set, set A, set B, set C, then two elements, set AB, set BC, set AC. Here n of A equal to 3, so how many subsets are possible? 2 raised to n. We know the equation 2 raised to n. So 2 raised to 3. Here n equal to 3, so 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So P of A has 8 elements and they are right in the set. Okay, then second question. If the number of subset with two elements of a set P is 10, find the total number of elements in the set P. This is an indirect question. For that, first look, let A is equal to set ABC. A has how many elements? A has 3 elements. N of A is equal to 3. Then, how many subset with the 2 elements of the set A? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 subset has 2 elements A, B, B, C and AC. In this question, the number of subset with the 2 elements of the set P is 10. So, we want to find out N of P. Here, that is 3, only 3, not 10. So, N of P is not equal to 3. N of P is not equal to 3. We want to find out N of P. N of P is 3 is not possible. Then we take another set with the 4 elements. P equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Then try all the subset with 2 elements. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. How many subsets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 subsets. When n of P equal to 4, it has only 6 subset with the 2 elements. So 4 is not our answer. Then take the other set. P equal to 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 element set. Then write all the subsets. 1, 2, subset with the 2 element. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, then 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 4, 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10. A subset with the 2 element of a set has 10. So N of P is equal to, here N of P equal to 5. So we got the answer. The total number of elements of the set P is 5. Then the subset with the 2 element of the set P is also 10. So our answer is 5. Clear? Third question. Find the number of elements in the power set of P. How many elements in P? We find out that P has 5 elements. N of P is equal to 5. Then we know the equation. Number of subset of a set with n element has 2 raised to n subsets. Number of subset of A set A with n element is 2 raised to n. Then P has 5 elements. Then how many elements in the power set of P? 2 raised to 5. The number of elements in the power set P is equal to 2 raised to n, that is equal to 2 raised to 5 equal 32. 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. Number of elements in the power set P is 2 raised to n, that is equal to 32. Another question, if A is equal to set 2, 3, 4, 5, B is equal to set 4, 5, 6, 7, write A union B, A intersection B. Second question, which of the following is equal to set a full X such that X element of R 2 less than X less than or equal to 4. For that, first question, we want to find out A union B. A union B is equal to set a full element either in A or in B or in both. Which are they? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5 is in A and 4, 5, 6, 7 is in B. So, A union B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then, what is A intersection B? A intersection B, set of all elements in both A and B. Which are they? You can easily find out that 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is in both A and B. So, A intersection B is equal to 4, 5. Which of the following is equal to set a full X such that X element of R 2 less than X less than or equal to 4? We write the answer. How we can write that? This is a interval form. X element of R. R is a real number. So, we can write the answer in an interval form. 2 less than, not equal. So, 2 is not including in this answer. So, that is an open interval. Open interval 2 and up to 4. 4 is also including. So, open interval 2, closed interval 4 is the answer. Open 2, closed 4. X is a elements are in real number. So, X element, that is X element of R. So, it is open 2, closed 4. 2 is not including in the set. So, we write in open 2. Okay.